Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Differences between acute arsenic and cholera. In acute arsenic, vomiting first vomiting is present first, followed by diarrhea. In cholera, diarrhea is present first, followed by vomiting. Acute arsenic vomiting contains blood and mucus, whereas in cholera, vomiting is watery. In acute arsenic, purging is seen after vomiting, whereas in cholera, purging is seen before vomiting. In acute arsenic, stools are dark, bloody, and mucousy, and later it is rice watery stools. Whereas in cholera, there is no blood, no mucus, only rice watery stools. In acute arsenic, you will see the presence of tenesmus and anal irritation. In cholera, there is no such reaction. In acute arsenic, the fatal dose of acute arsenic is zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.2 grams of arsenic trioxide. Treatment. Differences.
thank you and thank you for watching.